So, do you get nervous when you're without your phone? I know I do. By the way, new phone cover. Don't you like it? This is like an extension of me right here. So I guess for those of you like me, being away from your phone can cause severe anxiety, even panic attacks. It's a medical problem called nomophobia, and a recent study found as many as 2/3 of people have it. Dr. Bruce Hensel has more.
It's a cell phone society. We're tethered to our cell phones like they're extensions of ourselves. But what happens when your attachment to your phone becomes a problem?
I remember I was crying, I was angry.
For Christiana Ike, not having her phone provokes extreme anxiety. She has 3 phones and carries 2 phone chargers with her all the time. She even takes her phone with her in the shower.
I'll have it sitting there on the counter because I'm thinking, what if, you know, President Obama calls or the Pope? I don't know. I don't know why I do that.
These are the symptoms of nomophobia.
Nomophobia means no mobile phone phobia.
Symptoms of nomophobia include panic and anxiety when separated from your phone, having multiple phones, compulsive checking for messages, battery life, using phone in inappropriate places, phone activity becoming an issue in relationships, work, or school.
For some people who use their phone excessively, we know that the brain is actually responding to the phone as if it's a drug.
For Ike, it's affected her everyday interactions.
Unfortunately, I become so attached to communicating with everybody via my iPhone that I become less attached to people who are physically in front of me.
She's part of a nomophobia recovery group. Here she learns how to break her habit.
Make a commitment to not respond for 20 minutes.
We teach them in treatment how to self-monitor their behaviors, how to identify when the behaviors have become excessive, how to use coping skills to manage their urges to use the internet or their phone.
As opposed to thinking of myself being trapped without my phone, I'm trying to focus on how it can actually be kind of freeing to not have my phone.
You know what's so funny is just about, do you remember 15 minutes ago, you looked around the studio during a commercial break and every single person
I know.
was on their phone.
I know. Yeah. You know, recently I've had to make conscious choices to put it and then walk away from it and go and just be like, I'm kidding, I'm disconnecting from
well,
that
I mean,
phone
I watch TV now during commercial breaks. I'm on my phone. I mean, it's ridiculous. It is completely ridiculous. Set it down. Don't touch it.
Well, I mean, I use this phone even here on the desk because this computer that they give me here at the anchor desk is much slower than this phone. So, I mean, that's the reason why I do it. And plus, I think a lot of times we just can't put it down. We'll be right back.